स्वभाव हा साऊथ गोवाचे लोक जो तर म्हणटा सनबर्न नाका तेंचेर फोर्स कित्याक करप ऑर्गनायझर वॉन्ट्स टू हॅव इट इन साऊथ द पीपल डोंट वॉन्ट इफ पीपल कम अँड ब्लॉक द रोड्स when the sunburn is going to happen on the day of sunburn it is going to be a disaster for the government also and tourism also of the state. So tourism is the backbone of our state. The economically it is our backbone, so it cannot suffer a setback. Always sunburn used to happen in North Goa,
but you are ready to take it.
Let the organizer decide where he wants. He gets the NOC of the land. As a coastal belt MLA, my support will always be there for a clean sunburn. Again, I am very specifically telling for a clean sunburn. Whatever are the rules and regulations, they need to follow.
Clean sunburn म्हणजे किती?
Clean म्हणजे तुम्ही मागीर sunburn म्हणला आणि किती म्हणले?
तू सांग मला clean म्हणजे किती?
काय ना भितर दल्ले काय दासूंक पारना. रॉंग वस्तू काय?
असं असताना sunburn जाता.
ना ना.
तूच म्हाका सांग.
किती उलयता मागीर?
Sir, few days back you went to the DGP to give the memorandum regarding the harassment to the tourist. What happened about that thing?
चालू आहे मरे. चालू आहे नो. Only if there is a visual violation, the tourists are being stopped. आमच्या एरियान तरी हांवें पळयलां की विजिबल वायलेशन जाल्यार स्टॉप करता तेंका नाल्यार आतां आदी खंय स्टॉप करताले थंय करिना.
आतां सुदारलें
जावंक जाय सुदारलें म्हणना ते. See, they are tourists. They are coming here to spend 3 days, 4 days in the state of Goa. They are giving us revenue for the state exchequer in way of GST, and all the stakeholders who are in the industry are earning on this, and people are working over there. Our local people.
Any resettling issue is going on? You heard about?
I have not heard anything.
So there is a.
I have not heard.
Even Delhi meeting is going on.
No, that is not in my thing. CM आणि तो वच जाणा बाप विश्वजीत हय आमी न्यूजारसून आयकता.
Vishwajit also knows, sir?